to our honorable guest, Mr. Arnel Antobo Castillo, to our Sorgit supervisors, Mrs. Luna Luz B. Racho and Mrs. Helen Calagian, to our district supervisor, Mrs. Elsa Q. Aranas, to our honorable barangay captain, Honorable Erlanda Runday, with his barangay councilors, to our energetic school head, Mrs. Pasita E. Valladares, SPTA President, Mr. Charito Bases, our beloved teachers, dear parents, visitors, and to my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon to all. Henerasyon ng pagkakaisa, kaagapay sa bagong Pilipinas. This theme underscores the importance of unity and collective efforts in achieving a stronger and brighter future, emphasizing the crucial role of the current generation and working together towards a new and progressive Philippines. Let me take you back 5 years ago when we were all fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. We had a great deal of uncertainty, which made us take modular classes and online classes, where we learned in a whole new approach. Pupils are having a hard time understanding their lessons, but our families help us through all the hardships. Teachers and other government institutions work together towards a common goal, to have a continuous learning for students even in the midst of a pandemic. Today is indeed the product of the collective efforts of our families, teachers, other government institutions, and us pupils. Surely, we remembered vividly that time when we had our first face-to-face classes. The excitement and happiness of meeting our teachers, classmates, and friends again. With this, we are grateful to all our teachers since kindergarten for their unwavering support and dedication in cultivating our young minds and equipping us for our next journey, despite of the challenges during the pandemic. Ma'am, sir, you encourage us to be confident despite our self-doubt. Kami po ay buong pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat. We also want to express our gratitude to our parents and families for always supporting us, sharing in our accomplishments, and helping us through our confusion. Indeed, you are our pillar and strength. Your sacrifices are greatly valued. Being here today is the result of the little steps that we made, a result of hard work and determination, sprinkled with fun, laughter, and friendship. Do not be afraid of the wavy journey that we might come across. Be bold in achieving things, because we are strengthened by the love of our families, armed with knowledge from our teachers, and a guiding light from our Creator. To my fellow graduates, let us be courageous as we move forward to the next chapter of our lives, because we are prepared to accomplish things. Let us work together and be part to a new and progressive Philippines. Congratulations, Class of 2025. Soar high!